In the heart of the manufacturing industry, where precision and efficiency are paramount, ensuring secure access to critical systems and data is essential. However, traditional password-based authentication methods can be cumbersome, prone to errors, and a major security risk. The unique challenges of the manufacturing environment, such as shared workstations, mobile workforces, and the use of touchscreen devices, further complicate password management. This can lead to workarounds that compromise security, such as sticky notes and shared passwords. IDmelon is a passwordless authentication solution that seamlessly integrates with existing ID badges, eliminating the need for passwords altogether. This simplifies access for workers, reduces the risk of human error, and strengthens overall security. IDmelon's FIDO-based authentication leverages the familiar and secure method of using ID badges, eliminating the need for training and onboarding employees on new devices or software. In fact, employees leverage the cards that they have been using from day one that they joined the company for physical access now as a FIDO security key for safe and simple logins to devices and applications. This frees up IT resources to focus on more strategic initiatives. Unlike traditional hardware security keys, IDmelon's solution does not require the purchase, delivery, or replacement of additional hardware. This reduces costs and streamlines maintenance processes. IDmelon empowers manufacturing businesses to achieve a more secure, efficient, and user-friendly workplace. By dumping passwords, IDmelon helps to protect sensitive data, enhance productivity, and ultimately drive business success. Embrace a passwordless future with IDmelon and transform your manufacturing workplace into a stronghold of secure access and operational excellence. Learn more about IDmelon's passwordless authentication solutions and how they can secure your manufacturing operations today.